Stop playing tricks.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's do it. Come on, eat it.
Is that a real dog?
Eat it.
It's a real dog treat.
Yeah, it's real dog biscuit. Yeah.
He puked. Look, that's puke. He puked.
That's not real.
Time to go.
Ew!
It's the driest thing you will ever eat, dude.
Is it nasty?
No spitting up.
Oh, it's nasty.
You spit it up, you're
I'm
done.
gonna
You
try
can't.
to eat it.
No, you don't.
I've eaten cat food before.
I had dog food before, but doggy treats are a lot worse.
I've eaten little dog beef jerky.
Hey, smile.
I've eaten bacon strips.
What'd you eat?
Alex, we should have got one of the huge biscuit ones, like the huge dog.
Ew, those are for dogs. You're not a dog. those can really make you
This is a nice little shirt you
That's in
got
your
here.
own opinion.
Thank you.
It's all good. I'm at school tomorrow.
That's kind of gross. You know.
Skylar,
Oh, yeah, I know,
this
you
will
can
really
tell.
mess up your digestive
You
system.
idiot.
I did a PowerPoint on the
What'd you say?
Yeah, there's a lot of
Wow,
chemicals inside of it.
Are those good? Don't.
Uh-oh.
Just don't look at that.
Uh-oh.
Hey, look down.
I can look at that
Look
and not
down.
you.
Look in your peripheral vision. See it?
Hey,
puke. Hey, you take the juice, I'll take the chunks.
Oh, man, let me make it harder.
That's on video. Put it everywhere on Facebook.
How you not sick to your stomach,
As he
dude?
wears his God question mark.
he probably is.
Flips.
You have to chew it slow. That's the trick, man. That's how I got the
You have to
chicken
chew it
down.
fast.
You can't do
I
that
have to chew
fast.
things fast.
You can't do
Hey,
that
open your mouth.
fast.
I had to go with the bacon strips.
It's like giant.
Oh my god!
Open up. Oh, yeah.
Watch yourself, fool.
You're eating dog turd right now.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Come on, Sky.
Yeah, add to the pile. Add to the pile.
Head to the pot.
Add to the pile. Do it. Do it.
Okay, go. Number 2.
The chicken's so not bad at all. Try beef and you're
It
done.
doesn't even taste bad. The chicken had no taste. It was like cardboard.
It's dry, though.
It was cardboard.
Okay.
I said dark gray, but whatever.
Are you gonna wear mine?
Thinking about it. It's pretty nice.
Come on, Sky.
Which one is that?
Kind of tight.
I think he just ate bacon.
Bacon.
He's gonna puke that one up. Yeah, you better watch out.
Think of it as a
This
nice
one's coming
dessert.
up.
Oh, thanks.
I can see his face.
I ate like most of both of the bacons, but just like a little bit of the crumbs came
I know
up.
you can eat it.
Oh, that looks delicious. You got crumbs.
I know, dude.
Ooh, I like the chunks.
Add some bacon and some
you're
chicken,
like
and you
you.
can see the beef in there
Ripley
too.
soup.
Yeah, dude, it's Ripley
Hey,
soup.
hold the
It's soup of the day, man.
Soup of the day.
We should take that to what's that St. Louis bread company?
We're not used to
Chicken
it.
ripple.
Here, we're in here.
Chicken ripple. Chicken ripple. Oh,
Stop!
here it comes.
Don't
Come on.
do it.
Come on.
They look like little crushed up baby chickens. Blech.
This is what we do for
Hey.
Dog
No, that's all me right there.
Dog treat.
That's all me right
It's
there.
delicious. Yum. Grow up.
I think that's just the Cool Whip, though, Steven. Steven, the Cool Whip.
Get a straw, you can suck it up.
There's a little bit of Cool Whip in there.
Please don't go.
Add to the pile. Add to the pile. Add to the pile. Do it. Yeah, come on.
You don't want to do that.
Get it all out. Get it all out.
Eat it up.
No,
He ain't done yet.
you're done. No, he loses.
I'm gonna keep going, dude. Shut up.
You still lose.
Add to the pile. Add to the pile.
Hey, take the juice. It's nice and juicy. It'll make it go down again.
No, he finished the chicken one.
Finish one. Just one.
No one has finished one except for Ripley.
Ripley's
I finished the chicken.
Ripley blew chunks
spit 'em up.
No, that was the
So the
bacon.
chicken you spit, you finished.
Yeah, the chicken I finished. You can watch the video. I'm not eating this. No. No.
Your bets are not paid. You still owe me all the money.
I owe you 2. I ate 1.
So, it doesn't matter.